how to install YouTube app on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to install the YouTube application on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. From the App Store, you need to click on the search button at the bottom right. Now go ahead and search for YouTube. Click on it from the search results. Now you should see the YouTube music and live streaming app up. Click on it. If you have installed and uninstalled the YouTube application, you should see the cloud icon. So go ahead and click on it. If you are new to YouTube or this is the first time of installing the YouTube app on your iPhone, just hit the get button. And then you want to hang on a couple of seconds. After a few seconds, the YouTube application will be downloaded and installed on your iPhone. Now once you're done, hit the open button. Then you should see a pop that says, now once you're done, click on the open app. And then you may want to allow notifications from YouTube and then sign in as your Gmail account on the phone you are using. And after that, you can now go ahead and start exploring YouTube. So that's exactly how to install YouTube on an iPhone. If you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.